Alright, welcome to Johnny Works. Today's tool school video is on the oscillating tool, okay? This is a battery operated 20 volt made by DeWalt. Alright, it's got a little 20 volt battery that goes in there. One of my favorites, alright? Takes the same batteries that I have in my screw gun, my drill, and my impact driver video, okay? That's what I like about these, it's all the same batteries, alright? It also fits the big 60 volt battery, the flex volt. Okay, it makes it a little heavier, but it fits. Fits right in. This one actually has LED, so when you pull that trigger, LED. It's also variable speed. As hard as you pull this, hard as you cut, or as fast as it goes, I should say. I can go slow or full bore, okay? This also has a lock, all right? You have to pull this trigger hard, I'm trying to say hard instead of hard. You pull the trigger hard. When you pull the trigger all the way, you can lock it. You can lock it in the on position. If you don't pull it all the way, it will not lock, okay? There's no forward and reverse because this thing only oscillates. It goes back and forth. That's it, okay? All right, so here's a close-up. This piece right here, you grab this thing and you pull it back, okay? It pulls in and out. Your new blade, slide in and locks, okay? See that cutting motion, all right? If I wanted to, I could put this thing in sideways. And I could cut sideways, depending what I'm trying to get into, all right? And this thing can go either way. You notice all those holes. This thing can turn side, it can turn right, it can turn left, and it can straight ahead. All right, great tool. These ones right in here, these blades are made by Dremel. It's a dual interface, okay? That's the kind that fit the DeWalt, okay? Some of the other multi-tools have different blades that fit. So if you go to the store, and if you bought one of these, if this was the one you decided to go with, and you bought a DeWalt, you would have to buy the dual interface, okay? Made by Dremel. All right, and they have the multi-packs. You can buy one of these, and they are expensive, so make sure you know what you're gonna use it for. All right, so we're gonna try the carbide blade, okay? This one actually cuts nails and screws. I got a nail right here. Let's do a little demonstration. Pretty quick. That's a full charge. This battery's full, but that went through that thing like nothing, all right, like butter, all right? Pretty good right there. If I tried to cut that nail with a wood blade, that blade would have been junk, and there's my 11, 12 bucks down the drain, okay? The multi-pack, a 3-pack of wood blades is about $27, okay? So make sure if you buy a wood pack, you don't cut through nails and screws, because these blades will be crap real quick. And that's 27 bucks down the drain, okay? I love this thing. If you are cutting, say you are putting new sheetrock in, you built a wall, had a couple outlets or a switch or anything, I use this thing. I trace my little outlet with a pencil, my little square, and I can use this to cut out that drywall, and I can cut like a perfect square. Instead of the old school with a knife and a tool and you're trying to cut this thing forever, this takes that job right out of there. You don't have to do it. It takes you seconds just to cut that line out. This thing's awesome for drywall. Okay, awesome for trim too. Say you have a house and you're replacing your flooring, but your doors are already in because your flooring was in, your doors were in, they were all trimmed out, everything was in place, and you wanted to put new flooring in. Rather than rip all your trim off your doors and have to redo them, if your new flooring was gonna be maybe a little higher, it's gonna butt up to that trim, you want a nice clean look. So what you could do, okay, you could take your flooring and you could put a piece of it up to the bottom of your trim, and then you take one of these multi-tools, okay, and basically you cut the bottom of your trim right off, and then your new flooring would slide right underneath your door trim, okay? So it would look like your flooring was in first and then you trimmed it out, just like it would if you were doing new construction. So there's no gaps, there's no cut, you can't see the edge of your flooring. It's a nice clean finish. That's what they use this tool for a lot, okay? A lot of guys at work will do that. If they, tile guys and things like that, if the actual door trim's in their way, they'll just zip it off nice and flush and tuck their flooring or their tile or whatever underneath that trim. It gives a great look.